Hello, I'm Murray Hawkins and I want to introduce you to a simple little device which will revolutionise the way people feel about receiving dental treatment. These days, dental treatment is generally pretty comfortable once you've been numbed up. But the trouble is that 1 in 4 of us are scared of injections. And 1 in 10 of us are so terrified that we delay treatment until the pain is simply unbearable. If only there were a comfortable way to numb up teeth. Well, the good news is that there is now a way to make dental injections not only pain-free, but actually almost imperceptible. This little device is called a Vibroject. It's a little vibrator which attaches to a dental syringe, causing a tiny vibration to travel down the needle. When the needle pierces the gum, the vibration sensation travels to the brain faster than the unpleasant pricking sensation. The brain can't cope with two sensations arriving so close together and only registers the vibration of the Vibroject. Listen to what these patients have to say about their experiences with Vibroject.
Well, the first time I had Vibroject used on me at the dentist, I kind of wondered what was happening because I literally couldn't feel a thing. And I sat back ready to have the injection prior to the work commencing, and I was aware something was buzzing in my mouth, but other than that I couldn't feel a thing. And I literally was there with my mouth open thinking, is he going to do anything? Is he going to do anything? And then moments later he said, right, you're injected now and you'll numb up nicely. I was quite surprised. I really can't believe that every dentist doesn't have this, because it's such a wonderful tool and completely pain-free, and the fear of the dentist is pain, and if you can take that away, you've got to be a winner.
Yeah, I'm diabetic and I have to inject myself 7 times a day, and I'm okay with that now. It's just dentist injections I really don't like. I was very nervous because I've always been scared of the dentist. I always think it's going to hurt, but then I didn't actually realise it was happening, and then you said you'd finished and I was like, oh. I asked to see what it was and you said not till after, and then when I saw it I realised there was a needle, but if you hadn't have shown me I wouldn't have known.
I would class myself as a needle phobic, and at times I've actually felt like passing out when I've had other injections. If I'm honest, I was a little bit nervous because obviously it was a new procedure, but once I was led in your chair and the injection was done, I was absolutely amazed, didn't feel any pain whatsoever.
Do you think you could ever have an injection again without Vibroject?
Being a needle phobic, I would obviously opt for the Vibroject. To be honest, I would do anything to avoid injections.
When you came in for your checkup earlier on this week, you had a little baby tooth that was bothering you, didn't you?
Yeah.
And when I did your checkup, I said everything's fine, and you said, could I take your tooth out using my little buzzy thing?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Had you had the buzzy thing before?
Yes, I had once before.
And you felt happy enough just to ask me to take a baby tooth out there and then because it hadn't hurt before, is that right?
Yes, it was really quite enjoyable.
It was enjoyable?
Yeah.
Well done. And what does it feel like?
It felt really quite relieving.
I think it should be, it's so beneficial and effective, it should be used right across the board. Yeah, I really do think more folks should use it because it does put the patient at ease. It takes your mind off of what's likely to happen, and to be honest, the procedure's over before you're even aware of it. In fact, it's such a good product that I think they should use it in hospitals because I'm sure it would have a beneficial effect for many other procedures.
Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, let me show you the system in action. Now, Sue, I'm going to numb your tooth up using a revolutionary new system called Vibroject. I'm going to put some anaesthetic jelly on your gum, and then I'm going to numb the tooth up. All you will feel is a buzzing feeling. You won't feel any pain. What flavour would you like for your anaesthetic? I can give you Amaretto, Gin and Tonic or Cointreau.
Oh, Amaretto, please.
Amaretto. So I'm going to put the Amaretto jelly on your gum. And I'm just going to put a cotton wool roll over that for a minute. Right, I'm going to take the cotton wool roll out now. And I'm going to numb the tooth up. You're going to feel a vibration, a sort of buzzing sound. And half close your mouth, please, Sue. I'm going to pull your lip nice and tight. There we go, we're in. And we're going to put some anaesthetic next to this tooth. There we are. Well, Sue, how did that feel?
Fine. Didn't feel a thing. That was much better than an injection.
Well, I've got to let you in on a little secret, Sue. You did have an injection. You just didn't feel it because we had this little buzzy thing called a Vibroject attached to the needle. And when we turn this on, all you feel is vibration. It's as simple as that.
Wow, that's amazing.
This little device is so simple, so easy to use, and so cheap for your dentist to buy that it should soon banish fear of the dentist forever. For more information, visit vibroject.co.uk.